Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the SRT encoding and timebase so Premiere reads timestamps correctly. Once done, import your video and create or open the matching sequence. This ensures frame alignment when you add captions. Make sure the SRT file name is descriptive so you can track versions. Then place the source clip on the timeline and position the playhead where the first subtitle should appear before you import captions, because that initial placement helps automatic alignment and previewing. You import the SRT via File Import or by dragging it into the project panel. Premiere will create a caption item rather than a media clip. Next, choose the correct caption format, open Subtitles or 608/708, so style and timing behave predictably. Then drag the caption asset onto a dedicated track above the video and snap its start to your sequence playhead. While doing this, scrub through the timeline to confirm timestamps align. If not, you'll adjust timing or frame rate settings. You finalize by styling captions in the Captions panel. Choose font, size, color, background, and vertical position to maintain readability across devices. When exporting, decide whether to embed captions, burn them into the video, or export a sidecar SRT. Each option affects playback compatibility, so pick based on delivery needs. If captions look misaligned after export, make sure the sequence frame rate matches the SRT timestamps and re-import. That single mismatch is the most common problem to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.